so I can only talk to you and to the people. But your proposals make a lot of sense. And I was wondering, baka nang behind the scenes, they were reaching out, they wanted to hear your proposal. Well, all my proposals are in the public domain. Not yet. I discussed it with you, with all others, saka ina-upload ko yan sa YouTube. So, they're free to use it, How about sa DFA? Has there been any form of communication to basically actualize these proposals? Well, I bumped into the DFA people, of course, in all these big gatherings. We discussed it, but nothing formal. So far, at least two yung legal routes that they're considering. Another application and ICJ. Yeah, meron pa ba? Well, meron pa yung sa Scarborough Show. Dahil the Ambitara Award said na yung Scarborough Show common fishing ground among Chinese, Filipino, and Japanese fishermen. Pero ngayon, nagmamandaan doon ang China. Hindi, ayaw tayo pinapasok sa lagoon. Ganyan din ang Vietnam. So dapat yan, pag common fishing ground, may common rules for fishing. So, ang suggestion ko, let's invite China and Vietnam.
Sorry, with you?
What should be the common rules of fishing? Hindi naman sisipot ang China. So after that, we can go to the tribunal na ayaw ng China to discuss the ground rules, pero if it's a common fishing ground, then must be ground rules. So let's na lang ang mga bawat tao ng pwede namin kunin, pwede kunin ng Vietnam, pwede kunin ng ng China, at saka anong months fishing season. Hindi mo hindi lang pwede iman, maubos yung isda, dapat hindi time for the fish to degenerate. So I'm sure the tribunal should be withdrawn. If you can prove that China doesn't want to talk about it. I don't know whether the DOJ has already completed the preparation for this case, environmental case for damage to the marine environment. Ang pinaka-importante dyan, marine scientific assessment na nagkaroon ng damage. Dahil yung damages caused by, kasi we're asking for monetary damage.
This is spaghetti.
China destroyed the coral reef. So, nasira na yun. So, mas maraming reasons, maraming causes na masira yan ng typhoon, ng tsunami. So, dapat, makakita natin na